Hi everyone, my name is Dave Dubé. I'm a product manager at Cisco, and I want to show you how you can control the kinds of notifications you get with the Cisco Technical Support mobile application. Now, first off, there are two types of notifications we provide. One are in-app notifications, which we indicate with the circle and a number off to the right side of the app. Those are indicating the number of subcategories that have new content. The other kind of notification are mobile push notifications, and we'll talk about how you can control those in a moment. For the in-app notifications, I'm going to talk about the Cisco Validated Designs, a new feature we added not too long ago. You'll notice off to the left, there are subcategories with blue dots. Those are indicating subcategories that have content that I have not viewed since the last time I went into the app. So if we drill down into network virtualization, these are all the documents that are highlighted. I could tap on any one of these, pull up the documents, and view them. If I go back to the top, you'll notice the blue dot goes away. And if we go back to the top of the home screen, the number will drop from 21 down to 20. Well, I don't want to have to go back and in and out of each of these subcategories to reduce those numbers. There may be some subcategories I don't care about. If we go into settings and in Cisco Validated Designs, we can control which subcategories we want to be informed of. We can turn on or off any one of these. Maybe I made a mistake, I want to turn something back on. And from that setting, we'll monitor for you when there's new content available since you last saw or drilled down into one of those subcategories. And if you want to turn them all off, you can do that up at the top. Or if you want to turn it back on, we remember what your settings were since the last time you turned them off. With mobile push notifications, if we tap on push notifications, you'll notice there's three types of notifications we can possibly send out. One are security advisories. The next are support cases. So whenever a TAC engineer is assigned to one of your cases, or a case transitions from a Cisco pending state to a customer pending state, we'll send you a push notification. And lastly, if there's an end-of-life notice that gets published, we'll send a push notification if you have them turned on. So independently, you can control which ones you receive. Let's say you don't care about security advisors and you don't care about end-of-life notices, but you only want support case push notifications. You can set it up like this, and you won't get any of the other notifications sent to you. Now, one of the things you'll notice with push notifications, if you get them on your phone or on your tablet, you look in your notification center, you tap on one of those notifications, and it launches the app and brings you to that content. That's all good, but you'll notice that notification gets deleted from your notification center. Some people had asked, is there a way we can actually keep a repository or a collection of those notifications that we've received? And so we added a thing called My Notifications. And My Notifications is a repository of the support case notifications that we've sent over the last 30 days. So in this scenario, I've got three notifications that I've received. I can tap on any one of these titles. I can click on View Details. And when I click on Done, that notification is still there. So it will be retained for up to 30 days. I can delete any one of these by tapping on the trash can. And now we're down to 2. The other thing you'll notice, if we go into here, right now, these have already been viewed by me before. If they haven't been viewed, you'll see a little blue circle off to the left, bottom left of each of the individual cards. And then you can come in here and mark them as read, which since they were already read, it didn't do a whole heck of a lot. Now you may ask, that's nice. I'm not always wanting to manage my notifications on the phone. Is there a way I could do that from the web? And yes, there is. Let me go back to My Notifications. So if you go to cway.cisco.com, notify cache, that is a browser equivalent of what we just showed you. You can click on the little card switcher and switch to the cards, or you can go back to the table. And so these are if I do a refresh, I did some prior demos before. Some of those notifications I had since deleted. So now we're down to the same 2 that we saw within the app. If we tap on any of these links, so here I'm going to show you a little bit of information here shortly, but this is an example of a support case trend email. So I had created a case against this serial number, which we converted that to a PID or product ID. We then did some data mining and found the most referenced bugs, error messages, and Cisco support community references related to that specific PID. And we can click on any one of these to get more information. If we click on the View Support page, it'll take us to that particular model where we get access to all the documentation, the software downloads, and Cisco support community content. Now, for this particular email, you'll notice there's no support community references. Sometimes you'll run into that, but anyway, that's a quick and handy way. So when you create a case, if you subscribe to receive these types of notifications, then we'll send you an email, and you'll have some information handy in front of you while you're waiting for the TAC engineer. It may pertain to your case that you created, it might not, but it may also highlight things that you were unaware of before. To subscribe to those types of notifications, if you go under Settings, under Case Trends Emails, just go in and type in an email address. You can add additional ones if you want. If you want a colleague to receive the same types of notifications, you can do that. Just enter in their email addresses, click Save, and then add another one after that. And there you have it. A quick and easy way you can control the notifications you receive with the Cisco Technical Support mobile application. Thanks. Have a good day.